What's up, YouTube? This is Yugioh here, and this time around I have 5 more Epic Dawn Battle Packs for you guys. Um, I know that we already opened the booster box for this set already, but I just felt like we should get more. So yeah, here we are with 5 more packs. So yeah, let's get started. First pack. We have a rare Goblin Attack Force and no, my bad, Starfoil Goblin Attack Force and a rare Greenosaurus. Next pack. Ooh. Oh, and by the way, I got these packs from my friend for free. So, yeah. We got a Machina Fortress Starfoil and a Call of the Haunted Rare. Next pack. Alright. These packs are actually hard to open. Ooh, awesome! We got a Starfoil Obelisk the Tormentor and a rare Ancient Gear Golem. Okay, that was awesome. Next pack. Don't really want anything now. Pull the Obelisk the Tormentor. Okay. Next pack. I pulled a Ducker Mobile Cannon, Starfoil, and a number 39 Utopia, rare. Last and final pack for this video. Alright. Alright, an Obelisk the Tormentor. It's awesome. Ooh. Starfoil Gilasaurus and a Deep Diver, rare. Alright, so for this video, we opened 5 packs, and yeah, let's do a quick recap. Starfoils, Gilasaurus, Ducker Mobile Cannon, Obelisk the Tormentor, Machina Fortress, and Goblin Attack Force. Rares, we got a Deep Diver, 39, Gear Golem, and Call, as well as a Greenosaurus. Awesome pulls, guys. So, this set is awesome. So, really think you should pick some of these packs up. And, yeah, I'll see you around. Yugioh, signing out.